Hey, Earrape, hot Gacha here. Before we start the video, there will be a bit of Earrape in this video, so if you don't like Earrape, please click off the video. And now let's start the video.
Hey Ghosties, Toka Gacha here. Today I will be doing a skit where Miyuki, Lily and Kenzie attempt to stop Shade from snoring in Gacha Club. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey Ghosties, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a video again. Bye Ghosties. Hey Ghosties, before you go, here is a quick reminder to like, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a video again. Bye Ghosties.